Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
Mr. and Mrs. Pandit.
First of all, many happy returns of the day to Ajay Devgn sir.
Happy birthday Ajay Devgn sir.
Yes, so today we are going to give our reaction on RRR motion poster of Ajay Devgn sir.
Yes, so this is specially on Ajay Devgn sir's
Yes.
whole body, whole posture, every single thing. So
Right.
already we have done for NTR sir, for
Ramcharan
sir. Yes, and this one is the triple, मतलब तीनों आरों में लास्ट आर है शायद.
I think so,
Okay,
yes.
so let's get started. But before that, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe our channel and also click on the notification bell.
Yes, and also please follow us on Instagram.
Yeah, let's get started.
Yes.
Lord, aim, shoot.
Aim, shoot. Okay.
Lord, aim, shoot. Lord, aim, shoot. Lord, aim, shoot.
Back.
Awesome. Happy birthday, Ajay Devgan. Okay. This was marvelous. Outstanding. I just would like to say that he is a well suitable character for this particular role.
right.
I think he's playing a role of a freedom fighter, of course, but in a Daku form. Okay, he is very much
yes.
reminding me of Virappan,
Virappan,
if you know.
So
Yes.
I think he for the first time we have seen him in any kind of motion poster since
Yes.
childhood. We are watching his a lot of the movies, but we have never seen him in any kind of
Any
motion
kind of
poster.
motion
Right?
poster. This is for the first time.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
I think this is a great achievement for us and for him also,
Yes.
right? Because like to be the part of SS Rajamouli's film is itself is a great achievement for everyone. If you
Right.
see NTR sir, if you see Ramcharan sir or Alia Bhatt or Ajay Devgan sir, everyone like is having a feather in their career, you know,
Yes,
because
exactly.
SS Rajamouli is a big name and they are also big names. Ajay Devgan sir
Yes.
bolo या फिर NTR sir bolo या Ramcharan sir bolo. But I am very much looking forward to know more about the role, how the role is signifying in this movie, like how they are getting connected
Connected to each other.
To each other, yes.
Only one point of bridge will be there. All will fight against the British.
British.
Right?
This is a freedom fighting movie.
Only one
yes.
bridge, they will connect them all together.
All together.
So I think that will be a great movie. And as we know that whenever there is something related to freedom fighter, it arouses our feelings also.
It boils our blood
Yes,
actually.
it boils our blood also.
We always like to see, sit and be
Right.
calm and want to know about the freedom fighting and how they have sacrificed their life
Yes.
for their country and every single thing.
Right, exactly.
It is giving goosebumps each and every single time. Now we are talking, we are getting that vibe, getting that thrill in our body. So I
Exactly,
have
because
heard
it's
that.
very tough for anybody now. Also, if you tell us, we don't know, we will be able to be a part of them or not. It's very tough. Their movement
Never.
was super.
We cannot be
Yes.
ever be the
Right.
part of their like ऐसा हुआ नहीं है भगवान के कृपा से कि ऐसा हम किए नहीं but we haven't faced that a critical
Just
time
because
but
of
yes
their sacrifice, we are in well place right now.
yeah
Yes,
so
that's
I
a
have heard
brilliant
that
thing.
Ajay Devgan sir is the guru of NTR and Ramcharan sir so they both are the freedom fighters and he
Okay.
is the guru Ajay Devgan sir and he has lived his life in a very simple way that is why I think we have seen that he is wearing that Daku wala poshak
Okay.
and people like the whole everyone is gathering and aiming the guns and all no I think they are
Right,
Britishers
they are
right
Britishers mostly,
yes mostly I think they are Britishers
So I think that will be great also. So we'll be
Great.
able to see him as a guru, and then he is teaching his followers, and now this brilliant followers,
Brilliant followers.
they will fight against Britishers. That
Yes,
will be
yes,
a
that is a-
super story, and if that's a true story also, and of course it's a true story, right? So it's a true story, and then it will be a great for us also to watch live on theaters.
Live in
right?
the theaters, like their lifestyles, how they are
How-
dealing with that
yes.
critical situation, then how they have maintained that वो जो छुपा
Yes.
हुआ चीज, every
Right.
single thing, like they are
Exactly.
forming the team, they are like hitting against the British, and see each and every single thing.
Yes.
This is ultimate, actually.
Ultimate,
This is ultimate.
Yes.
And I think next they will release the Alia Bhatt's character.
No, they haven't released, I think.
They will release,
No, I've seen somewhere. Somewhere it was there, but we haven't given a reaction.
Sita.
because- yes,
Sita ka na
Sita character
role.
they have revealed somewhere. So I think that we haven't given a reaction. So I don't
No,
know.
we will give reaction. If the motion poster would be there, so we will be giving
But I don't
reaction.
know.
They have
I feel
shared the
like,
picture only.
Share the pictures or something.
In
kind of
in
also.
I think
Somewhere
Instagram
it
or
was
somewhere
there.
I have seen that she is sitting and she was looking pretty, but I think motion poster they will release soon.
Okay, so in this movie there is just only one female character, that is Alia, but I don't know.
Not sure.
Because they have mentioned just her name only. So
No, there is the casts are NTR, Ramcharan, Ajay Devgan, Alia Bhatt, Olivia Morris.
Okay.
I
these
don't know
all
who
are
is
there. I don't know.
is she. Samutrika Kani, Alison Doody, and Ray Stevenson.
So I think
So maybe they are British characters.
Okay, okay.
Maybe.
And maybe there can be, there cannot be, right? Other female characters also. And
Yeah.
if it's so, if it's there, then we would like to
We
watch
would like
them
to
as
watch
well,
them.
right?
Yes, yes.
Because it will be a great mix. Who is
we want to
with whom, right?
give reactions on each and every casts. Each and every cast, like if it is Alia Bhatt, we will be giving reaction. If it is another actress, also we'll be giving reaction. We have personal, don't have any personal thing with anyone, but yes, I think Alia Bhatt is not the greatest choose for this role, with
Right.
what we can understand. It could be a great role if Kirti Suresh should be there, or there are a lot of characters like वो जो नित्या मेनन है, वो भी बहुत अच्छा रोल होती
Yes,
है ना.
of course.
अनुष्का तो बहुत लंबी है, शायद उनके वजह से
But
उनका
maybe,
जो
but
कैरेक्टर
can
है वो
be
नहीं होगा,
changed.
कैन बी चेंज.
I think Anushka, if Ajay Devgan sir's with him, she can play
She can play a brilliant role.
brilliant role, because
Yes, yes.
Ajay Devgan sir itself is taller,
Very tall, he is
right?
very tall, yes.
It will be a great mashup also if that was the case, but now it's not the
Now
case.
it's
We
not the
think so,
case,
right?
because people have told. We
Yes.
have give the reaction for the Ramcharan sir's motion poster. No, there people have told that.
Right.
I think because the movie is getting released in Hindi version also, because of that only they have chosen Alia Bhatt.
Okay,
They have
because
told that.
Because that only they have chosen some of the
Hindi
Bollywood
characters,
characters.
because Ajay
Okay.
Devgan also they are choosing. No?
Yes.
So
but
maybe
I think Ajay Devgan sir is a great
fit for this
fit
role.
for this role, because we have seen our first reaction video was Tanhaji, right? And there he has done a brilliant job.
Brilliant.
Yes.
Yes. The second trailer was
Yes.
the better, far more better
Far
than
more
the
better
first
than
one. Yes.
Tanhaji, he's, because I think after watching that character, maybe director has chosen him, right?
हो सकता है,
Because
क्योंकि
he
वो
has
ही
done
last movie था इनका.
Yes, he has
Yes.
done a brilliant job.
He is a very great character, yaar. He is a very great, talented actor. We cannot, मतलब express our opinion about him, because he is fabulous in his field. Okay, so yeah, that is it for today's video. I think this is probably my least favorite, you can say. My most favorite one was the NTR sir's motion poster. If I ask you what was your favorite
I would
motion
like
poster out of these
motion
three?
poster. I would like that one for Ramcharan
Ramcharan sir.
Not
Oh.
motion poster, that poster. It was
Poster.
not motion poster,
Yeah.
but poster. That was super.
I liked
Ramcharan
NTR
sir,
का.
It was looking
सबसे
like
ज़्यादा
Ram. Right?
बहुत अच्छा है वो. Yes. But NTR सर का क्यों मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा था, क्योंकि उनका जो पूरा वेन्स वगैरह दिख रहा था, he was a very
powerful,
physic,
right?
and also surrounding the whole jungle, तो वो ग्रीन के साथ उनका बहुत अच्छे से मैच हो रहा था. Like he is a Bhim character, so whatever is needed, it was there actually. So that was, I think, my most favorite. This is the least favorite, but yes, I have full faith on Ajay Devgan sir's acting, so it is going to be a blockbuster movie. RRR. Okay,
Yes,
so
I think
yeah,
this,
that is it.
This movie will be one of the most awaited movie.
Awaited
right?
movie, yes, for sure. For everyone, like अगर आप देख लो साउथ इंडियन दर्शक या फिर नॉर्थ इंडियन दर्शक, थ्रू आउट द इंडिया इज वेटिंग.
Just because I think
For this movie.
the storyline.
Just because of the
it
storyline.
is totally based upon freedom fighters.
It will
and
be very
all.
motivational,
Right.
it will be very
Yes.
motivational. If you sit and watch this movie, I can guarantee you that it is a freedom fighting movie, so that is why you will get to know a lot of things about
Yes,
our
exactly.
country, about the older times, every single thing.
And
So that is
exactly,
that
that
will
will
be
be
very
great.
grateful.
And one thing is like we haven't read much about in our history books
History
also.
books, huh.
So knowing them, it will be a brilliant for us.
Ah, very true, actually. Yeah, so that is it for today's video. We have talked a lot about this movie and motion poster. We don't even know like how much percentage we will fulfill, but yes, I think whatever we told, it is near to the appropriate level only. Rest you can tell in the comment bar, like what is his role and what is the movie is about. Every single thing
And
you
how
can
you
let us
like
know.
this
How you
motion
like.
poster, right?
Yes. So yeah, that is it for today's video. If you like our reaction, please subscribe our channel if you have not already, and please click on the like button to like this
Yes.
video and share this video with your friends and family. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.
Bye.